Deye residential energy storage system consists of PV array, hybrid inverter, battery, electrical equipment, grid or diesel generator. It aims to store the surplus energy in the battery and supply the load when needed. It is also helpful in reducing your electricity bills and improving your energy independence. With the intelligent monitoring platform, you can get live information about the status of your system. In addition, it allows you set parameters and update firmware for inverter. In the morning, solar power is higher than load requirement. It serves local load and charges the battery at the same time. If excess energy is generated, it can be sold into mains grid. During the night, when there is no sunshine, battery bank discharges power to supply the load. When there is a grid outage, the battery storage can be triggered to power the household applications continuously. There are time-dependent electricity tariffs in most of countries. Deye hybrid inverter has 6 programmable time periods for battery charging and discharging to optimize your electricity usage habits and reduce your electricity bills finally. Having a 4 millisecond automatic switching time, Deye residential energy storage system is able to ensure your electrical appliances operation smoothly, even with air conditioners, when suffering grid failure. If the switching time exceeds 10 milliseconds, the compressor of air conditioners may be overloaded and damaged. Deye hybrid inverter is completely compatible with diesel generator. More specifically, Deye hybrid inverter is capable of sending signal to start or stop the diesel generator at a certain condition, avoiding wasting diesel oil and producing noise for a long time running. Deye hybrid inverter supports smart load application. This means the diesel generator can provide an output directly to the load. When the PV power is sufficient and battery bank SOC exceeds 95%, Smart Load Port will switch on automatically and power the load connected. When the battery bank SOC is less than 90%, the Smart Load Port will switch off automatically. Deye hybrid inverter supports grid peak shaving application for reducing your electricity bills. The Deye hybrid inverter allows user to set maximum amount of grid power to be utilized by the load, and remaining energy can be supplemented by PV or battery bank. In this situation, the mains grid electricity rate will drop dramatically. With AC couple feature, Deye hybrid inverters can be used to retrofit existing solar systems. The microinverter plant can be easily integrated to energy storage system via the diesel generator port of hybrid inverter without spending expensive power station renovation costs. Also, even when there is grid failure, the whole system still can work well. The Deye hybrid inverter can be fitted in one system with up to the maximum of 16 pieces in parallel, thereby increasing the capacity of the system to 80 kilowatts or 128 kilowatts. What's more important, the parallel system is compatible with different grid types. With the advanced control algorithm, the parallel system does not need additional control device and provides a system which is both stable and reliable.